the spectators stand at a very safe corner, please, because they're coming out by this way. So please back off. Yeah, just stand back behind them. We don't get into their ways. That includes me. And okay, ready, Dr. Maliki, Mr. David Ho, our NUSS President, and officiating the flag off, Mr. Cheong as well, Chairperson of the Community Care Subcommittee. Ready, go! Followed by our luxury cars, courtesy from Archie Yong and friends. Beautiful cars here. And the walls is nice Mini. Right, and followed by all our dear members and guests. Okay. Happy delivering all. Have a safe journey there. Yes, okay. And thank you. We should still have another batch coming out from the back, but this forms the majority of it. And not quite visible to us over here would be the buses on the right hand side, and you'll be leaving actually from the car parks over there. Okay, and